Hi, I'm Mindy, and today we're going to show you how to replace an adjustable sill cap or saddle. You'll need the following tools: safety glasses, safety gloves, the replacement sill cap, corner pads, elastomeric or polyurethane sealant, a screwdriver, a saw, putty knife, measuring tape, a dollar bill, and a pencil. For your safety, you should always wear approved safety glasses and gloves while working on this product. First, use the putty knife to break the sealant bonds and remove the corner seal pads. Then, remove the excess sealant. With the putty knife, carefully remove the screw covers. Before you go any further, check to be sure that the screw holes of the replacement sill cap line up with the original sill cap. Then, with the screwdriver, turn the screws counterclockwise and lift up on the sill cap to remove it. Set it aside. Some replacement sill caps include a replacement gasket already attached, and some, like this one, have no gasket. To verify the correct fit of the replacement sill cap, use a tape measure to measure the length of the original sill cap, and then measure the replacement. If they are not the same, mark trim measurements on the replacement sill cap on both ends. While wearing safety gloves and using a saw, trim the replacement sill cap to size using the markings on each end. From the interior side of the unit, set the replacement sill cap over the sill and align the screws with the holes of the threshold to assure proper placement. With a screwdriver, tighten the screws clockwise until the replacement sill cap is all the way down. Now, to adjust the replacement sill cap for a tight fit, place a dollar bill over the first screw and close the door. When properly adjusted and the door is fully closed, the dollar bill should be snug and slightly difficult to pull out without tearing. If the dollar bill comes out too easily, adjust the screw counterclockwise until the dollar bill is snug and repeat the test. You should perform the dollar bill test on each screw. Now, replace the cap covers on each screw. Once you have completed the replacement sill cap adjustments, apply a bead of elastomeric or polyurethane sealant to both sill jamb joints and reapply the corner pads. We have now successfully replaced an adjustable sill cap. If you have any further questions, please contact us by email at customersupport@therma-tru.com, by phone at 800-843-7628, on the web at www.therma-tru.com, or send us a tweet at Therma-Tru Cares.